guys, so after some minor futzing around with the computer in the Dart, I got it to start. It was doing its no start thing again, so we'll apparently the chair, there we go. So we're gonna attempt to drive it up the hill and see if we can get it into the shop. Alright guys, so you got the new Project Dart in the shop. We got the parts Project Dart out of the shop. We get the engine over there all covered up. Hoping to try and sell that and get some money back. So the first thing we're going to do right now, we're going to work on getting that right rear tail light off, get the bumper cover off, doors off, so I can start really probably tackle the door for the back rear door, just because that's going to be the easiest. We'll get that off, and you know, you can really see what we're looking at as far as the rocker panel and stuff goes, and the quarter panel. Right rear door off here, and you can actually really see the extent of the damage, and it's not too bad. This is all going to get changed when we get the new uniside for the car. The only spot that's really, I don't want to say bothersome because it's fixable, is just indented just a little bit there. Otherwise, you know, you can see it's in pretty good shape. That door still shuts pretty nice, so, and the body lines on the car look fairly good, so I think we're not too bad. We'll have to fix, well, these rockers will all be replaced when you get the new, so you can actually buy the whole side of the car. It's called a uniside, and what we'll do is we'll section it somewhere in here, and there's another pillar here, and then somewhere down here. I'm gonna remember where we do that. So in order to do that, the back glass has to come out, the side glass has to come out, this tail light, the bumper cover, all this trim and door gasket material will have to come off, and we'll have to make some cuts. We'll have to take I'm going to get a little belt sander, and we'll grind all the spot welds, and we'll take some seam separators, these guys right here, and separate the seams, and then we'll be able to fit the new panel onto the car. Spray a little coil on these bolts. This stuff works great. All right, so I got the inner wheel well out. You can see there's definitely liner out. The wheel well here, I gotta see. I don't know if I can pull that or it's like right in, I don't know if the camera picks it up, right in here. It's creased a little bit. So we'll figure that out once we get the quarter panel off and go from there. All right, got the trunk open. We're gonna work on taking this tail light. Actually, we're gonna actually have to take both tail lights out because we're gonna have to take this bumper cover off to get to all these spot welds here. So we're gonna work on getting these tail lights out. That's probably as far as we'll get today because I'll have to jack up the other side and pull the wheel well liner out of this side as well, because we're gonna have to this is all, these have got to come out in order to drop this bumper cover. There's some bolts in here and clips, and we'll have to take that off in order to change this this quarter panel out. So what we'll probably end up doing, and I'm also going to probably take the trunk lid off just because it'll be in the way for the glass guy and doing the spot welds over here on the car. Get the gas tank door. We'll leave that closed for now, and that'll probably be, we'll do maybe a whole nother segment on taking the interior apart, and I'll see if I can get somebody to come take the glass out or figure out how to do it myself without breaking it, hopefully. All right, so we got both we got the trunk lid off, we got the tail lights out, we got the wheel well off, we got the rear door off. We've made pretty good progress today. Guys, that is a wrap for today working on the 2015 Dodge Dart. Remember, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe below. Leave me a comment. You can also follow me along on Instagram, ACHubbard117. I'll put the link in the description. And be sure to check out my other videos on the other the other Dart, the F-150s, the Mustang. I've got more videos coming. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things to you know, bring this channel up to speed. So again, if you like you know, if you like the videos, like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and stay tuned. It's just what